It is my sorrowful duty to announce to the nation the passing on of His Excellency Emilio Mwai Kibaki.
Ni ndumiriri irerokeirie bururi wothe kieha na macakaya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ariwe mukinyia wa riboti ino ya gikuu kia President wa gatatu na mutongoria wa ihinda iraya Emilio Mwai wa Kibaki. Akiheana rianirira riri, President Kenyatta ni agwetete Gikuu giki ta igutha inene kuri bururi wa Kenya na kuri akenya othe.
And we salute a notable father figure in the chronicles of our nation, a leader who strove so hard and accomplished so much for this country.
Mwai Kibaki na hapa kwamba
Kibaki ni agwetete ta mutongoria uteithiriirie bururi wa Kenya gwikura minyororo-ini ya kwigucia hari uthii wa na mbere makiria kumarire ayukirie matamu ma wathani mwaka-ini wa 2022.
Infrastructure developments in transport and energy, and increasing the availability and access to healthcare for his fellow Kenyans.
Meria President Kenyatta ningi kagathiriria Kibaki ta mutongoria watugiritie utongoria tegutororia ciko cia gukumio akigwetwo ta umwe wa atongoria aria mari na wigiriki munene.
We recall with eternal gratitude President Kibaki's patriotic journey in service to his country, which can be traced back to Kenya's fight for liberation. President Kibaki will forever be remembered as a gentleman in Kenyan politics.
Kibaki no agathiriirio ni gukorwo ariwe mutongoria uria wakinyanirie gatiba njeru iria yaruguririo mwaka-ini wa 2010 ikihea Kenya mweke wa mwanya wa wathani mweru undirio tahanikite mabururi-ini maingi makiria gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Kumana na Gikuu giki riu Kibaki akuheo macakaya ma kibururi maria mambiririo umuthi nginyagia muthi wa kuhurukio gwake mathiko-ini maria magakorwo mari ma kibururi.
As the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, do hereby order and direct that President Mwai Kibaki shall be accorded a state funeral with full military honors and protocols being rendered and observed.
Federation ciothe nacio igukoreire nuthu muringoti guothe bururi-ini guku ningi atongoria nene na mabaruthi magitanywo kuiga federa cia ngari cia othi rita njira ya gutia munene wa mbirarũ wa hau kabere.
That the flag of the Republic of Kenya shall be flown at half-mast at State House and all Kenyan diplomatic missions, public buildings, public grounds.
Kwa ihinda riri mwiri wa President Kibaki wigitwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Lee Funeral guku Nairobi. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.